Hello students, hope you are doing well by the grace of Lord. And I also pray for your safety. Actually, we are going through a very critical situation for this pandemic. As a result, we are to stay at home. I hope you are continuously studying at home regularly. So, dear students, in my previous class, I have already discussed about the 6 rules of affirmative to negative. Now, today I am going to describe from rule number 7. Superlative degree যুক্ত affirmative sentence के negative করতে হলে the structure will be no other plus the next part of superlative plus verb plus as plus the positive form of superlative degree plus as and the subject of the sentence. If we see the examples, it will be more clear to us. He is the best batsman in the team. So negative, no other batsman in the team is as good as him. So here, according to structure, at first we have used no other. Then the next portion of superlative form, batsman in the team. And next, verb. So the verb here is. Then as, and the positive form of superlative degree. Here positive form of best is good. And again we have used as and then the subject him. Rule number 8. If there is then any other or then all other in the comparative degree, then the rules are below. No other plus then no other plus any other or all other. The next portion of then any other or all other plus verb plus so oblique as plus the positive form of comparative degree plus as plus and the subject of the sentence. If you see the example, we can see that we'll see that affirmative, he is better than any other boy in the class. So negative will be no other, according to structure, no other, then and then any other or then any all other, the next portion of the then any other, that means boy in the class. So no other boy in the class, according to structure we have to use here verb. So here is the verb, then so or as. So here we have used as and comparative form and the positive form of comparative degree. So here better is the comparative form, so the positive form of better is good. Then we have to use as, then the subject of the sentence him. So no other boy in the class is as good as him. If there is then only then in the comparative degree, the rules will be like that. The last portion of the then will sit the first plus verb. According to tense and person, we have to use the verb plus not plus so slash as plus positive form of comparative degree plus as plus the subject of the sentence. Then he is stronger than you. So the negative will be here, the last portion of the then will sit in the first. So here you will sit here, will has sit here first. So you according to tense and person. So as we have used here you, so the verb will be are. So you are not, according to structure we have to use not, or then we have to use so or as. So I have you can use any of them. Then the positive form of comparative degree, stronger, and the comparative form is the comparative form, and strong is the positive form. Then as, then the subject of the sentence him. The you are not as strong as him. 10. As dot dot as. If there is as dot dot as in the positive degree, the rules here. Instead of first as, we have to use not less, and instead of last as, we have to use then. So in the example we can see Robi and Rahat were as strong as Rakib. Robi and Rahat were not less strong than Rakib. So here first instead of first as, we have used not less, and instead of second as, we have used then. So Robi and Rahat were not less strong than Rakib. 11. If there is less dot dot than in the affirmative sentence, and the rule will be instead of less, we have to use not as, and instead of then, we have to use as. So in the example we can see that he is less ugly than you say. So negative, he is not as ugly as you say. So instead of less, we have used not as, and instead of then, we have used as. So the example is like that: he is not as ugly as you say. If in the affirmative, rule number 12, if in the affirmative sentence there will be 2 dot dot 2, then the negative will be like that. In the place of 2, we have to use so. Then we have to use the adjective or adverb that is used after 2, then plus that, plus again we have to use the subject, plus according to tense we have to use cannot or could not, plus the next portion of 2. So if you see the example, it will be more clear to us. He is too weak to walk. The negative will be he is so weak that he cannot walk. So here, according to structure, instead of first 2, we have used so. Then the adjective we have used, then we have used that, then we have used again the subject, and according as it is present indefinite tense, so we have used here cannot. Then the next portion of 2, that means walks. He is so weak that he cannot walk.